Shakas! Welcome back to Makaz Home. This is Maka. Welcome to my new subbies. I've hit 100 subscribers. I'm so excited. Thank you. I appreciate all of you who've joined me on this journey. I will be hosting a giveaway shortly for my little 100 subscriber celebration. And so stay tuned for that. But I'm back today with another share. I received another entry into my birthday Memorydex challenge that I'm hosting until it does end tomorrow. No, not tomorrow, Thursday. And could be tomorrow because I'm not sure when I'm really actually posting this. But it is, it's from Crafting with Aloha Cherie. And what's up, Sissa? Thanks. And so let's just get right into what she has. Oh, let's check this out. Oh, yeah. All right. Oh, yes. So, okay, so she included these doilies. Love it. I love using doilies, so thank you very much. I can always use these, girl. And then, oh yeah, she included some jumbo ume seeds. Oh my gosh, I love these. Thanks. And then some nihimui dried strawberries. Yes, girl, thanks. Thank you. Oh, thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you, Cherie. Let's see her Memorydex. Okay. Oh, did you fall off from someplace? Maybe not. Oh, look at these cute little paper clips. They really are paper clips. Literally. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Look at this gorgeousness. Oh, this is her Memorydex, guys. And I am going to link her channel below. She did share this on her channel, so I'll link that. Love this red puppy hearts. And look at the glitter hearts on this white heart with the cute little red heart. Sorry, focus. Yeah. Then I like all the placement of the flat backs and the sequins and the buttons. Good job. Girl, this is beautiful. Thank you so much. And then she is crafting with Aloha Cherie, like I said. Favorite colors are pink. Favorite craft item is art glitter glue. And then she loves the Haribo gummy bears. Ooh, girl. I like gummy bears too. But that's her favorites. So I just want to say thank you, Mahalo, girl. I love it. I love it. Thank you, Mahalo, for all of the goodies. Look, more. Oh, yes, a heart one. Ooh, and these are different shape than just a circle. Thanks. Thank you. So hooked up on the doilies. Good, because I like putting doilies on everything. I don't know. They're really good. Good accent, background, everything. Well, anyways, hope you guys are having a great day and a good start to your week. And I will be back to share other ones if I do get them before my challenge ends on Thursday. So the link for the original challenge video is in the description below. And if you are visiting here, I would so like you to join my crafty journey, and you would like to subscribe, hit the subscribe button. If you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, tell me why. But hope you guys are having a great day. Stay crafty, and I appreciate your guys' love and support. Mahalo. Shakas.